Start by clicking on the menu button on your phone. Next, go to your phone's messaging app and open it. In your message inbox, look for the message sent from WonDRx. Open the message. Select the associate app link. Now click on Browse. This will open your phone's browser. To download the associate app, click OK to download. The associate app download will begin. Once the download is complete, install the associate app by clicking on the Install button. Once the installation is complete, click on Open to start the associate app. Enter the registered phone number and click on OTP to receive the OTP. Enter the received OTP in the associate app to complete your registration. Once done, click on Submit to connect the associate app. Congratulations, you have successfully mapped the associate app to your in-clinic doctor app.
Get ready for the wonder.